Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the first and the foremost idea of writing HTML program. As I already told you, there is a website which is very useful for you to learn HTML, and this is called w3schools.com. You can see it here, w3schools.com. Then you go to Learn HTML. You will click on this particular tab, Learn HTML. When you click on the Learn HTML, you will have a lot of information about HTML. You can see this is something like a textbook for HTML. If you move over here, you will see all type of things that you can do with HTML are given over here. We are not going to cover everything. Also, there is one good thing in this one, which is called HTML quiz. There is something called HTML quiz, which is of great help for you to understand things. I will show you later, but now you can see here, we are going to see some examples of this one. So this website can help you to understand very easily how to learn HTML. So if you are interested to learn HTML, you can use Notepad editor, as I already told you yesterday in my class, or you can go to this particular website. Here they have an editor and you can just use them to understand the idea. See, if you look at this one, this is introduction. You can see here, these questions are answered here. First one, introduction. You can see here, what is HTML? Okay, so it is just giving the structure of the web page, consists of series of elements, which I told you yesterday, helps to the browser to display the content. How the website or a web page content should be displayed is decided by using HTML. Okay, and this is all the idea about it. Now if you see the HTML document, you see here they have something like this. But if you don't want to have this one, just click this button, green button, try it yourself. This is the editor and this is the output. Now you see this is also editor, like a notepad. But you see this is what? This is called the comment. You know what is comment? This is not part of program. It's just a comment. If you don't even have it, nothing will happen. Normally, if you can see here, the program in HTML has this structure. HTML and then it finishes with HTML. I told you, all programs in HTML have been made up of elements, are made up of elements. So whenever you have HTML, it should be closed. That element should be closed here. So you open an element HTML here, you have to close the tag HTML here. Head. Head means heading. In the heading, you can have the title of the page. In the header, you can have the title, and then you have body. Normally, the HTML program has two parts. The first one is to start the HTML. Then normally they have something called header, and the next one is called body. Body is actually where the content will be displayed. Now, if I run it, this is the output. Can you see this is the output now? Now, if you can see here, if I am going to change the title now, I am going to change the title now. For example, I am going to change it as Welcome H1. See, I am going to give here. For example, I am going to give here. Like for example, now I am going to give here something like, I am going to give something like paragraph. P means paragraph. Whenever you want to write something in a form of text, you will use P, paragraph. So what is paragraph? You write here, welcome to HTML, and then you close the paragraph here. Can you see it here? Now welcome to HTML. So now this is what I have written. Now you see here, what will happen is that when I run it, welcome to HTML, my first heading. Why this is very big? Because I am using something called H1. What is H1? The font size. See, now I am giving here after paragraph H1. I am using H1. Again I am closing here H1. Can you see it here? H1. Now you see I am going to run it. What will happen? Because of using the H1, the font size becomes very big. Now I would like to show you one more thing for your easy understanding. If I am going to use center, 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 and I am using this tab here, and I am just using it here, center, 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 Now run it. See here. Now I make the design to come in the center. Welcome to HTML. Okay, welcome to HTML. So this actually makes the things easy for you. So you can use the same program in the form of Notepad. I already told you yesterday. You can go to Notepad. In the Notepad also you can type the same code. The program will work. See here now there is no problem in this one because the body is closed, HTML, and everything is done clearly. Okay, now you can see here there is no issues with this one. Now what I do is that what I am actually copying this one. I am copying this one. I am putting this one in the Notepad. Control V like this. Okay, after you type the program, you file save as. Okay, and then I am giving the name second program dot html, and then I am going to save the program. So now once I save the program, if I go to desktop and I go to computer, I will go to desktop. In the desktop I will see my folder, which is nothing but summer. Can you see this one? Summer. I think okay, 225 summer 2020. See, this is my second program. Yesterday's program is also here, and this is today's program. So right click and open with. If sometimes it comes as Google Chrome icon. When it comes as Google Chrome icon, it is nothing. You will click it. In my computer, it is not coming as Google Chrome icon. So what in this case I have to right click and open with Google Chrome. But if the icon comes as Google Chrome, just click on it. Now you see this is how the web page will look like. Now I have put in my web page only some text, and this is how the web page is created. I hope it is very clear for you until now. Now in the next series of videos, you will see more information on how to put more contents into the web page. Thank you.